3 ways to save money instantly online. Facebook, Twitter, Thailand. In today's world, shopping in brick and mortar stores seems so backward, dated, and boring. Millions of people each year sit in their jammies while drinking wine and shop for clothes, household goods, gifts, and just about anything else you can imagine. One of the great benefits to shopping online is the various coupon, rebate, and dollar-back programs available. If you click through a link, or use a coupon code, your savings can be substantial. In addition, you get all the myriad benefits of shopping online: no children to drag through stores, no gas costs to get there and back, and no hassle of dealing with crowds. So, once you're convinced to shop online, where can you find the savings? There are several ways to save money online. Let's start with coupons. Coupons. This is a fairly standard. Go to one of the coupon sites, many will be provided below, and look for the store you want to shop with, or search by category, depending on your needs. Be sure to click apply when you enter the coupon during checkout. Although in the early days of online shopping, coupon codes were plentiful and generous, frequently you could find $10 off a $10 purchase with free shipping. Good coupons these days are hard to find. Some stores, like Land's End, rarely offer coupons while others, LL Bean, often offer free shipping on any size order. When you order, or even if you don't order, be sure to sign up with the website either by registering or signing up for coupons. These direct email coupons are often some of the best you'll ever find. Here are some excellent coupon sites to get you started. MyBargainBuddy.com. Here, a mom compiles good deals and coupon codes for you. Some of the best deals need no coupon at all, but if there's a good deal and a coupon to go with it, all the better. FatWallet.com. Lots of codes here along with active message boards where other deals can be found. MyCoupons.com. The most beneficial part of this site are the message boards, which are alive with the sound of people saving money. Check out the posts that have stickies on them at the start of each forum. There are often some good links to printable coupons here for favorites like Toys R Us and Chuck E. Cheese. One note: if you are looking for a code for a certain store, don't assume that if it's not available at one website, it doesn't exist. There are different codes at different sites. Visit several coupon sites before giving up hope that a code does in fact exist for that store. Rebates. Here's how the big daddy of online rebate programs works. Go to ebates.com and sign up for an account. There's a sign-up bonus of $5, so you already have a free $5 coming to you. Then, when you go shopping, check Ebates before heading directly to an online store. Even if you have a coupon from another site, click through the store link on the Ebates page for more savings. Let's say you choose a new jacket from Kohl's and you have a $10 off a $75 purchase. Great! Keeping the coupon code in hand, you head to Ebates and find Kohl's among the list of stores. This store offers 2% back, so you click through the Kohl's link on the Ebates page, and make your purchase. Not only do you benefit from the coupon code you applied, but also got an extra 2% back on your purchase. Not a bad deal. Ebates will send money to your PayPal account or send you a check. Points. Not everyone knows about the various point programs available, but since you can earn points without doing any shopping, the points programs are worth knowing. Visit mypoints.com and sign up for an account. MyPoints will send emails, sometimes daily, sometimes several in one day. You click a link in the mail and automatically get 5 points. Sign up for an offer or make a purchase through that link and earn even more points, from hundreds to thousands of points per offer. MyPoints is most useful, however, when you're shopping online. It's like Ebates in that you click through a link on the MyPoints site, and you get points for your purchase. Most stores offer a certain number of points, 2 to 4 on average, per dollar spent. Once you have at least 1,000 points, you can redeem the points for gift certificates for restaurants, gas, travel and clothing. You can't use Ebates and MyPoints in the same purchase, so if a store is linked through both Ebates and MyPoints, you have to decide which is the better deal for you. Whenever possible, try to combine a coupon code with the MyPoints or Ebates deal.